I'm going to share with you how to make passive income in real estate investment. Hi, my name is Adiye Ifeoluwa and welcome to Land Sprout. If this is your first time here, subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on free content I'm going to be giving you each and every other week. How to make passive income in real estate investment with these 5 options. Most people tend to forget that you can make passive income investing in real estate. Real estate offers a lot of options. It is just one of the industry and the opportunities in real estate are endless. Although passive income in real estate can be risky, you can cut losses and maximize profit if you know what to do. Here are some of the best points to make passive income in real estate investment. Number 1 is residential rentals. Do you know that rental properties are the most common source of passive income in real estate investment? Residential real estate are houses which can be a 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom flat. Also, it could be duplex for rent. People will always need a place to live or something. So people rent 2-3 bedroom to stay, and with this you make passive income from residential real estate, which is called the rental property. People invest in rental property because it gives them a good source of income. You have to know what type of property to invest if you want to do this. And number 2 is commercial rentals. One of the great opportunities in real estate for making a considerable amount of money is to invest in commercial real estate for a passive income. So commercial real estate are offices, hotels, malls, shopping malls, complexes. So commercial real estate developers focus not only on flipping properties but also on developing them, adding value to them to increase their net income. Commercial rentals are a great way to make passive income in real estate investment. I so much love commercial rentals in real estate. Their advantage is more active cash flow. You will always have a bigger income with commercial rentals. Ali Safavid, founder of 5209 Investment, one of the largest commercial real estate developers on the west coast of the United States, says that commercial real estate is one of the most lucrative sources for both passive income and profit in the real estate market. As long as you can find ways to add value to the exchange, investing in commercial real estate can be one of the largest generators you will find. People will always need office space and retail to run their business. Now, these types of physical locations are bread and butter in the real estate niche, because as you grow, you can find ways to open up shopping malls, develop large-scale buildings, and many more. As easy as it is to make a large cash flow in commercial real estate, it's harder to manage commercial rental property. But one thing to consider if starting out is location. You must have a very good location to venture into commercial properties or commercial rental. Now, number 3 is a raw land. Now, depending on what your purposes are in buying a raw land, you can make money renting out a land to some certain people who need it for farming, ranches, or etc. Because you probably bought it for land banking, renting it out isn't a bad idea to generate cash flow. Land can be for farm, storage, agricultural purposes, for house flipping. Flipping houses is not one of the most common ways to generate passive income in Nigeria, and this is because the process itself is more hands-on than any other real estate strategies. But once you get the hang on it, it will be easier to manage your investment. In fact, we recommend that you flip houses alongside other ways of making passive. When cash flow is not regular, you have fast profit from flipped homes to look forward to. Partnership. You can also generate passive income by making partnership in real estate. You do not always have to start investing from scratch. Sometimes finding the right connection can make your money grow, especially if you and your partner are in the same place in the same industry. And lastly, on how to make passive income in real estate is lease options. Lease options are a great way to make passive income in real estate. Big brand companies will need a place to start a new office and will be looking to lease options for office space. Conclusion: making passive income in real estate is good and it makes wealth. It is about strategy and research, but what many people fail to see is the resourcefulness and the benefit attached to investing in real estate. If you know where to look and what to do in real estate, you will never run out of ways to make passive income in life. I really hope you find this video more helpful. For more real estate advice and tips, subscribe to LandSprout and visit LandSprout blog for more tips as well. And also, while you are here, grab the free copy of the guide to land ownership at the description below. And bye for now.